Hi everyone. In this video, I will introduce program fly of a drone in my class. My name is Noriyuki Koike. I am a teacher working at a private school in Tokyo. Also, I have a role as a system administrator and a web designer. I've got a titles of Google Certified Innovator and a trainer, and one of the leaders of GEG Shinjuku. I also have another title, Adobe Education Leader. I picked a drone as a teaching material, but is it a drone? There are three main reasons for this. The first is that drones are the result of integrating modern information technology. And second, you can experience both manual and program flights. Third, it's just fun to fly a drone above all. So, what is the current state of drones? There is data released by Impress Corporation. Looking at the graph, you can see that the drone market is showing rapid growth. For example, there was a drone delivery service to Sarushima in Kanagawa Prefecture, which was conducted in collaboration with Rakuten and Seiyu. Drone needs are expected to become more widespread in the future. So you can check on the YouTube. So I will introduce the lessons in class. It was just 3 hours to complete all lessons. First, manual flight. After that, student made a program flight in the second and third hours. The drone we used was here, DJI Telo Edu. Uh, this drone. So let's get started with manual flight. Student tried the manual flight of a drone. And students were divided into teams of 4, and the roles will be divided, and the drone was operated by rotation. The operation was simple: go straight to the goal point 5 meters away from the start point at the height of 1 meter and land. First, the students confirmed the basic movement and name of the drone in the figure, and then confirmed how to connect a drone and the controller on Wi-Fi on the tutorial video that I made. The condition is 2 batteries for each team. After confirming that they would take off in order to prevent Wi-Fi interference and that they would fly with care for the safety of their surroundings, students enjoyed the activity freely. Here is a video of students' activity. You can scan the code to see. So please take a look. So here is feedback from my students. Some students said that flying a drone was difficult, and some others said that they learned how to operate it while working together as a team. Another student said his impression that the drone became familiar after this lesson. Next is the program flight. It was held at the very last of final semester on 10th grade. In the program flight, we used the Tello 80 app installed on the iPad Air for the flight. The app has a function that is a kind of visual programming similar to Scratch. The field has the shores on both sides for landing. In the middle, there is a water surface, and above it, there are hoops to go through and get points. The challenge is to create a program that will score as many points as possible through through these three hoops of different heights. At, at first, the team discussed and developed a flight strategy. It was so easy for students to develop the program using TeleEd app. You can simulate flying a drone on the screen from the time you made the program. So, what happened to the next class after the meeting? This was also recorded. So, please take a look. You can check. You can scan the code. So, here's another student feedback. Let's take a look. A student realized that it doesn't go as expected. Uh, it's so important to try and error during making a program. And the student enjoyed the process of actually flying the drone, discussing it, discussing it with the team, and making corrections. There was also feedback from students that the perspective they had on the drone changed significantly. So, lastly, let me analyze the value of the lesson plan. After these lessons, the students gave it a 5-point rating. You can see that it was a very favorite lesson for them. Let's recap the value of the lessons. Here are the 4 points I summarize. I highly recommend it that you apply drones when you teach programming. They have high potential. So please try flying the drone at your school or in your class. So thank you very much. Bye.